How do folks, welcome back. I'm Wayne and this is Forge of Solace Paints. So, Killteam. I pre-ordered it a while back, got the Octarius box and it came with this handy dandy limited edition measuring tool. I'm not going to use it. Tape measure, masking tape, hobby knife, and some paints. I am going to use, however. I much prefer a tape measure, so let's get on with it. Any masking tape will do. I like this 5mm stuff, it's really versatile and really cheap. Okay, so I'm using a Games Workshop tape measure. I like how it holds the measure out itself, but anyone will do absolutely fine. If you're familiar with Killteam, the useful increments are 1, 2, 3 and 6 inches. So that's what we're going to use. Give your measure a quick clean and then we're ready to crack on. So the first thing we're going to do is measure out about 6 inches of his masking tape. Now this is where having this 5mm thick stuff does really help because it means there's a minimal fuss. Now I want to still be able to read the numbers on the measure. Having the 5mm masking tape really helped here. Obviously we still want to be able to read his numbers because we want to be able to use the tape measure for other games and just to be able to see what the distances are as well as using the symbols and the colours. So I placed the tape on the edge of the measure, getting about 5mm of it on there. This is by far the most tricky part of the entire process, and just getting it lined up so it's neat can be a bit awkward. But just take your time, get it on there, make sure it's nice and flat and stuck to it as best as you can, and you're good to go. Run your finger along the length of the tape, make sure it's well adhered, and you should be good to go for the next step. Now, what we're going to do is cut to the exact length that we need, which is 6 inches. Using a sharp hobby knife, that's not a problem at all. And then you'll see there's this little hooked bit at the end of your measure. I'm just going to cut out that out as well. And flipping it over quickly, we're just going to cut off any of the excess tape that we had. Would you believe we're almost done once we've got here? At this point what we're going to do is use 4 colours. Black for 1 inch, white for 2 inch, blue for 3 inch, and then red for the remainder up to 6 inch, following what's used in all of the Games Workshop manuals for Killteam. Now, I'm pretty certain I don't need to tell you how to do this, but just take your time painting the colours as you would do. So, as I said before, black is going to be up to the 1 inch mark, and then from the 1 inch to 2 inch we want white, and then up to 3 inch we want blue, and then the remainder we just want red. Now, I'm just using my standard model paints here, but you could use pens or anything that you wanted just to paint the masking tape. Take your time, make it nice and neat, it really does pay off in the end. While we're waiting for his paint to dry, if you're not already, do me a solid and subscribe to the channel. I've got some really exciting content coming up over the next few months, so make sure you do stick around. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything else you'd like to see. And we're about done with this quick hack. Killteam centric tape measure that we can use for all of his other games. It's just a little bit easier, a little bit of fun, nice and easy mod. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Until next time guys, I'll see you later.